everyone, it's Kim here with a quick technique taster for Creative Scrapbooker Magazine. We're just going to remake this fun little card using some products that I have come to really love. The first being the Echo Park Coffee Paper Collection. It has all these fun pattern papers, stickers, journal cards, as well as a separate paper kit in solids, some Therm transfer foil, different glue dots products, as well as some fun Kelly Create stickers that I'll show you after. So we're going to keep this pretty simple because it's not a hard card. So I have everything cut and ready to go. This is my card base that we'll be using. It's one of the solid prints from the Echo Park Paper Coffee Collection. On the inside it's a separate color. We'll get to that later. When we're building the front of the card, I have chosen these two papers to play with, a floral print and just a small graphic paper. And I've pre-cut, and we're just going to layer these two papers. I'm using some Glue Dots permanent tape runner. And the next fun technique we're going to do is we're going to take this small strip of black cardstock. We're going to use our permanent 3/8 of an inch dots and try to center them, and you'll see when they're on that strip, they're all equally distanced apart. Take the Antique Pearl transfer foil from Therm, and you'll see where I've done it before, and we'll just layer that shiny side up on top of the glue dots and rub them in really well. And then once you're confident that they're down, grab an edge and pull back your foil transfer, and that is beautiful and fun. There's so many different ways of using your foil transfers. Some require heat, some require a transfer gel. This is really great just using the glue dots. So I will adhere that again using my Glue Dots runner. And adhere to the card base. Again, using the Glue Dots permanent runner. I like to add a little bit in the corners, a little in the center. One trick when you are doing the front of your card base, if you're not exact on your measurements, always do your outside edge as the visual, because that's where your eye will go to when you open the card up. So if this is a little off on this edge, your eye won't really go there. It will always go to this edge where there's a contrast. That's just a little tip that I have learned. So there you have a fun little background. And then what I have done next is I've taken a piece of vellum, which is very hard to see. You can see it over top of the transfer foil. And in my fun little Kelly Creates journal, I have some stickers. Love this journal, but we're not using this today. We're using the stickers, and Kelly Creates has lots of beautiful lettered stickers. I am not a great letterer, so I am thrilled that she makes products that I can use. We're going to use the Be Brave today. But it's a set of 6 sheets and they're gorgeous. So this one here we're going to layer on our vellum. And you can see how lovely they are, and they have a beautiful shine to them, which plays so nice with the transfer foil that we've used. I'd like to take my Creative Memories corner cutter and just soften out the edges a little bit. So there's lots of ways that you can adhere vellum. You can put adhesive on the whole back, you can use a stapler, you can use lots of different ways. Today what we're going to do on this one is use the micro dots and just find a couple little spots where the lettering is. And again, this is hard to see against the white, and just I'm peeling these off because I'm okay if they roll a little bit. And just quickly adhere this onto the top portion. So you still get the floral design in the background, but it gives a little bit more contrast for the letters so the letters don't get lost. Then on the inside, I take a piece of white Creative Scrapbooker Superstock, adhere that. I'm going to pull out the stickers again. I'm going to take a heart, just tuck it in the corner, and when I am ready to write this card out, I will be using one of my very favorite Kelly Creates fine brush tip pens to write my sentiment in, or my little note to whomever is getting this card. So very simple card, hopefully one that you can recreate. It's not difficult, but it's just some fun products to use and a fun way to use your transfer foils with your glue dots.